I look rough, I don't care. Because today, we are going to be doing a hair treatment tutorial. I think it's a tutorial. It is a tutorial. So, this right here is my is my treatment. No, you cannot buy it in stores because I didn't start selling it yet. But lucky thing, could make it. I'm not gonna give you all the ingredients, but I'll give you some of the ingredients. So the most ingredients that I put in this hair treatment is avocado, eggs, and turmeric. That's not all the ingredients, but that's what I put in there. That's a big amount, you can say. But okay, but show you guys what I do with this particular treatment, because I have a lot of different treatments for your hair and for your face. So this is my hair. Yes, this is my real hair. Got a little glue here because I had on the little lace front wig. I'm trying to be cute. I took out my braids and everything. So now my head looks like this. Looks crazy. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to treat my hair with this little piece of treatment that I did. I'm going to call it little piece of treatment. So as you can see, my scalp is dry. I have the glue here. I don't know if you can see all right here. Oh shit. Anyways, but I treated my hair in like the past 3 months, and this is how my hair looked. And before the 3 months, I was treating my hair with this and some other stuff that I'll probably do another video on that I make. It's all organic and it's at home, as you can see, because I blended it up. So yeah, I was using this maybe for about, I would say 9 months, and then I started seeing like my hair just actually holding my curls and not making it look like this. So from this to this, the curl. Anyways, you'll see all that after. So all I do is not necessarily stick. You might want to use some gloves because my nails are gonna get yellow. My nails are going to get yellow. All right, so I got gloves now. They're pink gloves. I want some gloves because, reason why I say that. Do you see this color? If you like your nails, I advise you not to dip your nails into this. It doesn't work. Why did you do that? This is why. So you're not really gonna see me, but you're gonna see me, not see me. So this is what's gonna happen here. I'm gonna start applying this into this. It can get messy, it can, but just bathe. Just bathe or whatever. I mean, I have a towel around me. I don't really want a little what is those hand towels? I don't really want it around me because it's not gonna be big enough for me, at least. Anyways, I look terrible. It's okay. We're gonna be cute in a little bit. So I just simply take this, dip my hand into it, and flat my head back a little bit and start to put it in just like this. If you have thick hair, you can section it, but I don't section my hair. My hair is thick, but it's not like, it doesn't really knot up, I could say. So you just kind of pour it in. Don't worry, when I start making the product, it will be much easier than just using this, and it will be easier for me too. But as of right now, you just kind of just pour it into your head and rub it in. Make sure you get it on your scalp per se. Yeah, because the goal really is making your hair grow. Or if you just want to treat your hair, like you just need something to treat it, that could work too. But usually people treat their hair to make it grow. So I don't know why you wouldn't want it to grow. But yeah, it drips a lot. It's because of the egg. Oh my God, this is a mess. This isn't going to work. It drips a lot because of the egg. So rub it in. I look damn crazy. Anyways, you just rub it in. You rub it in here. I'm rubbing it right here because that's where I had the Got2b glue with the lace front. So I'm trying to make sure it comes in right about here. Right about here. It's pretty much what it starts to look like. When you're finished applying this in your head, I personally, same thing, same difference. When you put it in your head, on your head, however you want to express it, this is what you're gonna do. If you do not have a shower cap, you put a plastic bag over your head. If you do have a shower cap, put the shower cap over your head. And then you make it sit for 30 minutes. It looks really nasty. I'm not gonna lie to you, it doesn't smell too pleasant. Lie to you guys. I would, but not really. Not right now. But no, sir. I saw Batman. I gonna look right now. This is how it looks when you applied everything in it. You don't know, sir. I saw the thing to look. A joke. Anyways, so after you have applied everything, like to all of your hair, you have applied it to all of your hair, all over your head, and you just like massaging it a little bit, just a little bit. It looks really nasty, but trust me, your shit gonna be glistening. Oh my God, you see how that thing just did that? Okay, it's gonna be glistening. If you're trying to figure out what the hell is this, that's pieces of the avocado. Once I actually make the product and bottle it and stuff like that, it's gonna be well blended. But I kind of just chopped up avocado and blended it into my little Fruit Ninja thing. And yeah, but honestly, I kind of like the little bits of avocado because I use it to soothe it on my scalp. I don't know if you can kind of see. Yeah, once you have it sitting on your scalp, it's moisturizing it. I forgot what it is that's in the avocado that actually it's kind of like a protein for your hair. Like how you need protein in your body, your hair needs protein too, but your hair is a part of your body. Badman. Let me stop. But yeah, after your hair really starts looking like this, like I said, just mix it around your head or whatever and make it really like blend in. As you can see, I just took a piece of the avocado and rubbing it on the back of my scalp. Well, the back of my head. I'm talking about back of my scalp. So, yeah. Now, I put it all in one like this. Nothing fancy. Listen, I don't have time for the whole little fancy tutorials because fancy hair tutorials with organic products, to me, don't be all fine and dandy. Everything be goddamn dripping all over the place and you just be like, what's next? But yeah, it's gonna get on your face a little bit, especially if you're like me, when your hand them shaky. Oh my God, look at my hair. Anyways, yeah. So you want to make sure everything is touched. Everything. Then, I did not want to spoil up the one piece of shower cap that I have. So Oh shit, hold on. We're gonna use a Presidente plastic bag. Digga tying in the back. Make sure you get all your hair up there and just make it sit. You're gonna feel like it's running down. Keep the towel on your body like how I have it. And please don't wear none of your new clothes when you're doing this. Wear some old clothes or something, especially if it's running. So yeah, and then you just sit for what, 30 minutes. Put on your timer, 30 minutes, and then you wash it out. Okay, so I'm currently in the shower. You're not gonna be able to see below, right here, below my neck. So that's what we do. It could get messy, so I do prefer to wash out my hair. Wash off my hair in the shower. It's a little bit more simpler. It's a little bit more simpler. And I removed the plastic bag. And honestly, if you have like a whole bunch of shower caps, you can use the shower cap or you can use the plastic bag. It's the same thing. I prefer the plastic bag either way, but I wasn't gonna use the one little piece of digga one piece of little digga shower cap that I have. So this is how it starts to look. I do apologize, you guys, that it's kind of dark in here. That's just the way my shower is set up. And yeah, my light is not waterproof, so I am not bringing it in here. This is how you know when a treatment is sits, because like it looks kind of white, kind of. And then yeah, as you can see, I hope you can see pretty good, everything just sits. So what you want to do, you might need gloves again, but I'm not bringing no gloves into the shower. That's weird. So we're going to wash this out first. Now for shampoo, conditioner, you can use any, no, don't use any. Use like into Shea Moisture, that type. But I personally, because my hair was damaged for a while, I used Mane and Tail. If you can see that. Mane and Tail. That's the shampoo. You can get at any beauty supply store. And this is the conditioner and Mane and Tail as well. Looks like this, but first them I run. And I also use this Cantu Natural Hair Cold Wash Conditioner to wash it out. So we're gonna begin washing all this shit out. Okay, so you also want to mainly focus on the scalp, because we mainly applied it onto the scalp and you don't really want it to like stay there, because it's not gonna smell too pleasant. It's gonna look a little bit crumbed up. Well, I don't know, everybody's hair texture is different. So for my hair texture, it's gonna look a little bit clamped up right now, because my hair is usually well, it's soft now. So we finished bathing. We finished washing out all of it, and this is the results of my texture hair, which is Indian Jamaican. Hear me? But yeah, so this is the finishing look, really my finishing look, because I don't feel like blow drying in my hair and I don't feel like straightening it.
I want payment, I want enjoy, I want top life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want turn up. Tell me, my brother, what it gonna be? G-Wagon, or the Bentley, the girl them, riding with me, I know.
That's pretty much it. That's pretty easy how you do this. That's pretty easy how you do this, right? So, if you do like my product so far and you do want to try it thus far, DM me, at me, call me. No, I'm not putting my number on here. But yeah, make sure you follow me on Instagram at lionpaw__. That's my personal page. I'm actually going to give you guys my personal page. Now, my business page is Bumba Productions __. Usually if you go to my private page, you can look at my bio and the business page will be in there too, if you can't find it, because I don't know, for some reason people can't find it, but whatever. So yeah, DM me, at me on Twitter at lionpaw__, and let me know what you think about the product. Let me know if you actually want me to make this into an actual product. And yeah, if you have any questions, I will answer in the comments below. Thank you for watching Bumba TV. Bumba TV. Bumba TV. Bumba TV.